हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स। आपका आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। माय नेम इज डॉक्टर गोपिका नायर। टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स. Yeah, it is interesting topics. The topic is ankylosing spondylitis. You have to know about such topics because it's not spondylitis, spondylolisthesis. It's very much different for condition. So what is spondylitis? Spondylitis is different. And what about ankylosing spondylitis? I will tell you in this video. In this, it is a primary arthritis condition of a spinal as well as a pelvic joint, where it because of the inflammation, particularly in the spinal joint as well as in the pelvic. Okay, because of that, it causes like inflammation as well as a chronic pain in particular area of joints, as well as the disability also get increased. And because of that inflammation, it causes a severe changes in the bone, like it generate a new bone in the spinal joint. So because of that, the immobility case can develop. So in ankylosing spondylosis, generally because of the stiffness और pain के वजह से ये large joint को ज़्यादा particular target करता है. Because of that, हर एक joints like wrist, एंकल, एल्बो, शोल्डर, हर जॉइंट्स में लाइक स्टिफनेस बढ़ जाता है, पेन बढ़ जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इन्फ्लेमेशन. इट गोज लाइक दैट. सो इन ankylosing spondylosis, हाउ वी कैन नो दैट इट इज ankylosing spondylitis? Basically, that in that situation, patient posture will get changed, as well as उनका posture, उनका जो spine है, we can say like bamboo spine, particular because the spine gets straight. Like this curvature is normal, fine, but in that spondylitis cases it will be straight. Because of this straight, the neck movement get forward. Because of the neck movement get forward, this all spine gets straight, neck get forward, shoulder gets stooped. So the movement they are doing, it's like this and forward. So it become like a stoop posture. So because of that, the full hip, the full spine gets stiffed very badly. So basically इस वजह से उनको spine में straight spine होने के वजह से और जो head है वो forward होने के वजह से we can say question mark deformity develop होता है in this situation. So because of that, हर joints में stiffness generate हो जाता है, जिसके वजह से वो movement जो range of motion particular होना चाहिए body में that get restricted. Ankylosing spondylitis के कुछ exercise और कुछ stretches है जो हम आज वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं. So because of that, the question mark deformity is generated. So we have to remove that question mark deformity. तो उसके लिए जो spine है जिसमें straight हो गया, जो curvature होना चाहिए वो नहीं, एकदम straight हो गया. So patient के लिए भी very difficult to straighten up, lie down position में बहुत difficult होगा उनको. So कुछ stretches है जो आपके spine को normal curvature में लाने में help करेंगे और कुछ exercise जो हम आज वीडियो में करेंगे. तो पहला है press down and stretch up the spine. Okay. Now in this press up to stretch your spine, it's basically known as a cobra stretch. We have to lie down on your stomach with your leg behind you. Slowly yourself on your elbow, and the chest should be off to from the ground, and straight, able to straight your arms for 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat to 3 to 5 times, then relax. So in that patient position will be prone, lie down on the tummy, kneel on a mat, put your forearm on the ground, push your legs out behind you and balance the toe. Squeeze your stomach as well as buttock muscles, and the spine should be straight in line. Head should be up, let it hang down. Keep a neck in a straight line position, hold it for 5 seconds, repeat 3 to 5 times and relax. Now the next is the chin tuck to stretch your neck. As the position should be lie down on back without lifting your head off the floor. Tuck your chin in slightly towards your chest. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. 3 से 5 बार repeat करिए. Do this stretch twice a day and relax. Now the next one is stretch your hip to relieve the low back pain. In that position will be like this. In that, take a big step forward, sink into a lunge, move your back knee down and rest in the ground. Keep your back upright so that it will be careful. Your hip should not bend forward. You should feel the stretch on the lower back of the leg. One is in the resting on the ground and feel on the front thigh of the hip. To get the deeper stretch, gently push both your hip forward. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat the other leg also. Hold it in a chair for a balance needed if you need then. And relax. Do this daily as a stretch. Now the next one is roll your shoulder to loosen up. Stand or sit up tall. Keep your spine as straight as you're comfortable and able to. Gently shrug your shoulder upward towards the ear. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Hold it. Do this continuously. Then clockwise, anti-clockwise 6 to 10 times. Then relax. Next is standing leg rise to loosen the tight hips. Okay. Now next, in that, hold the back of a chair or a railing or something object which you have to hold it. Keep your back straight with a slight bend in your knee. Slowly lift one leg out or one leg back side. Hold it for 3 seconds, then relax. Slowly turn your posture on side line. Hold it from one hand to one object. In a 45 degree, you have to lift your leg. Hold it for 5 seconds, then relax. Next one is wall sit for better posture. In that, stand your back should be against a wall. Put your feet apart, like shoulder and the width apart and away from the wall. Slowly slide your back down to the wall. Your both legs should be parallel and should be 90 degree. Then hold it for 5 seconds, then back to the normal position. Now the next one is corner stretch to open your chest. In that, gentle press your chest towards the corner. Your arm will provide tension and so that it feel across the front of the chest along your back, and feel your shoulder blades move towards the chest each other. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, then relax. So this exercise and these stretches which I showed in this video, you have to do very carefully, and as the precaution I said in this video, with some like exercise muscles which you have to particularly concentrate on it. Now the next one which I said, the third one is breathing exercise, diaphragmatic breathing exercise which you have to perform. You can sit over some chair or any comfortable position. Place your both hand on your tummy or over the diaphragm. Take a deep breath from nose and blow out from your mouth like this. If you're able to hold it, then hold it for 3 seconds, then blow out from your mouth. सो टाइम्स कम, अभी जाने का टाइम आ गया है. आपको जो भी मैंने एक्सरसाइज बताया था ये वीडियो में, जिस तरीके से मैंने बताया था वही होल्ड फॉलो करिए. और अगर आपको पेन हो रहा हो तो प्लीज होल्ड इट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स, उसके बाद ही स्टार्ट करना. ओके, सो नाउ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अस, फीडबैक अस and share your genuine review in the comment section and witness your fitness with us.